Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Coppinger with ZenTek Consultants, and today we're going to talk about the standalone bids aspect of the ZenBidTracker app. The standalone bids are meant for smaller contractors who are just looking to track and get out external bids. It's not meant for incoming bids and tracking vendors and your own subcontractors. This is just getting bids out the door. So, in order to create a new standalone bid, we're going to navigate over to our side panel and we'll select New Standalone Bid. In here you can see you can fill out all of the information for your bid. This button up here up top, we can select a client. So if you have clients submitted into your address book, you can select their contact information here. So if we are going to submit a bid to GM Blue Plan, we can just select that client and then it will pre-populate their data directly into your standalone bid. We can enter a project number here, so I'm just going to enter a number. Our project name, right? We'll go to PHL Airport. The description of the project, we'll do reno of Terminal 5. Who the bid is assigned to, so if it's one of your associates, maybe John. When the bid was issued, so if you have not issued the bid yet, or if you plan on issuing it in a future date, you can just select that date here. The status, we can choose if it is open, if it has been submitted, awarded, lost, or on hold. This could always be changed after we create the bid, so we'll keep it open for now. And then the proposed amount. So here I'll just punch in $15,000 and we'll go ahead and create the bid. As you can see, the bid shows up in our main standalone bids viewing window, and we can see all of our data here. We can sort and filter by the status, who it's been assigned to, and we can sort by all of our columns here. Over on the right-hand side of our actions on our bid, we can choose to update the project bid and change any of that information there. We can duplicate the project. So if we are bidding the same project for multiple different clients, we can just simply duplicate it and then come into the second line item and then update the project and change our client that we're bidding to. So maybe it's not GM Blue Plan, maybe it's Coors Construction. We'll update that bid here. Now the great thing, we also have the ability to add an attachment to any of our bids. So if we have bid plans and files, we can upload that document here, or if it's a URL, a Procore link, or a SharePoint link, we can enter that link directly in here. So I can just put a SharePoint link here, update, and then you can see by our bid line, there's a nice little icon for us to navigate to the URL or the documentation that we've uploaded. Once we have all of our bids created, you can see now in our Analytics tab, it's going to show us all of our total bids, our win rate, our total proposed, our total awarded, as well as client analytics and subcontractor analytics if we are submitting project bids with subcontractors as well. And there you have it, a very straightforward, easy to use application for tracking your bids. If you are interested in seeing more, check out the application at zenbidtracker.web.app.